from Wolfpack Airsoft. Today we have Airsoft Fort update number 4. There she is. Say hi, Charles.
Hi.
Okay, so here's the bunker. Didn't do crap on that. We put walls up. Nice. Put another wall up, and we put this ladder up. And that. So hold up. We did all this today. We got some extra wood and stuff. All this was out of all scrap wood. It's really big. It's like a colossal giant. Alright, let me in. This ladder. And this is what it's for. Comes down. No one else can come up except us. And then that's where I can climb up. We have another ladder, but we don't really use that anymore. Got some chairs. So here's what we've done. We put this wall up. There's my sniper. We put this wall up behind us. So Charles is gonna pull that up.
If Charles can get his shit okay.
Watch over. He said tied the ladder closed so that chain wouldn't come off and the ladder wouldn't open. And it folds up so people who are on the opposite team cannot try and climb in, and if they try and climb in right there, we can easily shoot them. And this actually kind of doubles as some cover. So if you take the camera, Sir Charles.
Sure.
And I'm going to show y'all some positions of use in our fort. We have this position, which is a sniping spot. We have this position right here. Charles, let's fold up this chair for now, or sort of ish. Here. I'll go around. It's kind of small up here, guys. Probably looks bigger than it really is. The camera like magnifies it. But here you can AGs, pistols, anything. Duck down, get good coverage here. Shoot around this corner. Charles, you want to show them anything?
Nope.
So that's what we mainly did today for the balcony. I'm going to climb down, Charles. This is the old ladder. Just using it. Thank you. Extra wood. Nothing different on the inside. We took the chair out and put it on top. Bunker's still the same. Everything's still the same. So I was gonna put a wall on, but Charles doesn't want to right now. Says wait till the next update, but yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.